Hi everyone, this is a video about this book cover keyboard slim for your Samsung S8, and it's really, I have to tell you the keyboard is good, but the lack of trackpad on this and the lack of selecting the angle or choosing the angle at which the tablet would stand in this is really doesn't make this a really good laptop keyboard. So I get it out of the box and then we are going to talk more. So this item, when you get everything out of the box, is like this. Nothing anywhere else. It's just the keyboard and some papers here. Let me just show you some papers that it says nothing about how to operate this. It's just some safety and all of that rubbish. I put this aside, and here is the keyboard and the cover. So the cover is magnetic, and there are some scratches. I don't know why, and it's because it's brand new. And here is where you can store your pen to avoid losing it. And then here is the keyboard and the connectors that connects to your S8 tab S8, and the thickness is not bad, and the traveling of the keys are reasonable. It doesn't have any dedicated function buttons, but still, when you connect this to your tablet, it just gives you some shortcuts on the screen at the bottom of the screen to see that. And then it has the DeX direct button that you just do that, and then from the top it just connects to your tablet magnetically. Let me just show you. Like so. And then there is a gap here for your pen to get charged, and then here is just, you can connect this. I have to use certain angles to just show you how it connects. And then here you can see that is only one angle. You cannot choose any angle between these in order to just improve your visibility of the screen. Because if you do that, your keyboard cannot be connected to the tablet. So it's really disappointing. In the price of this keyboard is between £55 up to £70, or maybe £75. You can buy better bargains on YouTube, eBay, or YouTube addresses that you can get from eBay, but you're supposed to get the keyboard for free when you purchase this from Samsung. But if you purchase it from a third party, I'm afraid you are on your own, because Samsung doesn't provide any third party free keyboards for this. And I cannot say much about this keyboard because I do not like it and I dislike it, and I am going to somehow not recommend this. If you want to buy a keyboard cover for your S8, I recommend you to go for the keyboards of S7 because it has the separate back cover that you can change the angles at any distance that you like, and then you have a keyboard and a trackpad that it extends up to here and is much more user friendly as well. So the price of that is somehow between I think the same, £45 up to some sellers, they are selling it for £79 or £69 and extortionate prices. But if you could find not this one, even if you can get this for £50 or under £50, I do not recommend this keyboard. But the S7 one, Tab S7 Slim keyboard cover, if you can find that, I fully recommend that for the price of between £45 up to £60, not any more than that. Because if you want to spend that much money, there are a lot of more keyboards and mouse out there that you can purchase with the backlit keyboard and, you know, trackpad and so many other stuff that you can connect to it, and, you know, with the Bluetooth and so on. But I won't take your time much with this because I am so disappointed, and I don't like this keyboard whatsoever, not even a little bit. Anyway, not recommended. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.